Manchito murigeria wigeta senigen Soko TV nigorire riabarire nakoraga Chinsa Isano na Ibere chia bono mugaso chinga kitwa kwariganiria magia asentra yo wenge anonsia sore kranso ike rinyore asentra yo wenge kurendera bagutunyara somtana ito Facebook YouTube rinyargo kwemanya egatia tukwaneta semesa ya maya no butambe yeterane ndayana ndemo Manjito murigeria togo cha kabene bunenchira yemo yogo segeta masomo aschiskuru chiagusi ngeskuru yabanyaruka ya Lady of Roads Nyabururu Girls National School yariganirie workshop y'abarimu hasege songo amanege swaire erigo somenchira yo komenta omokia asama somaya nigaraberitsko riyo mukubyo asabange basabirwe banyare bagwikirana asobonge eribanyare bagwesemia amo
ndagete gwakira nyasaye mbuya mono asengencho yerisa tingi yato at the last year. We had a mean of 9.863 in English and a mean of 10.2 in Kiswahili. In English we had A plus 61 and A minus 112. While in Kiswahili it was A plus 96 and 135 A minuses. Enerisa tengi ya mono sana asengencho in the entire region ya Nyanza. In English we are number 3 after Maranda Boys, which is number 1 with a mean of 10.1 and Asumbi Girls with a mean of 10.0. Asengencho yayo Ntune Familia Nyabururu Girls National School want to invite our teachers from basically Kisii and Nyamira and the environs ba cham to cham tororengan kieke tora kore aso ko improve ersat ya bana baito which school cheto chionsi both boys and girls. That's why on Sunday tare 8 omutienyoyo kujaka saa 2 tukabwate workshop ya bari mbege Swahili nege songo asenya Bururu Girls toche we share to manyanga kitora akore elinde mini ya languages improve and maintain unatoa maintain seitoganya Bururu. Not that we have special students, we have normal students, the same students probably you have in your school, but what is this thing which we do very unique? So our Rimuvaito Bega Songo na Bega Swahili, we want to welcome you. We come and we share on Sunday, and to our principals, kindly allow the teachers to come, we share, and you will see a difference in the results come next year. Thank you so much. God bless you. Let us meet.
Nabego Manchito murigeria mobungo West Mugrango Steve Mogaka hoiro koboko obotumeki osomswada obotumeki bwechibese chinke usebinte bikebike miensi ya Kenya asomswado yo kwane rume ye bunge yorauna Kimani Ichungwa asiba kwanira na gotebabuna oswado yunigora chuo kinya uchumi miensi ya Kenya nabego kobakonya abakenya abange na kurigeria chisekta unachisemi nabigo esekte kwene kebuna amagendero nabiga amagacho na chikokolekana aschinsemo miense ya Kenya.
To support this most innovative and progressive law that is going to transform the railway transport in this republic. But Speaker, those who have tried know the most cost-effective either water or railway. And most developed countries, name them, Britain, United States, China, use railway as their mode of transport, even for passenger. The SGR model was supposed to give Kenyans an appetite on how railway transport can transform transportation. Otherwise, we have hitherto been locked on road transport, which is not only very costly, but also very risky because the fatalities we record on road transport are unforgivable in heaven. Madam Speaker, in Gusii region, we have never seen any railway service being extended there. And I do celebrate the 5th President of the Republic of Kenya for magnanimously accepting that we can not only extend the SGR from Nairobi, Naivasha to Kisumu, but that there will be an extension into the Gusii land, and that we will even be having a stage at Ikonge. Madam Speaker, you don't know how transport will be revolutionized in that region. Because Gusii region, we never lack rain. And our farms, small as they may be, are the most productive and yielding. But the frustration has been to the farmers that cannot get their produce to the market in good time and cost effectively. I say this railway, this levy, this fund we are creating today, opening up an opportunity not only to expand the SGR to Ikonge, as originally approved by His Excellency the President, but I say a railway line extending to Homa Bay County, extending to Migori County, and even connecting us to our neighbors in Tanzania through Isibania. And I tell you, Madam Speaker, that is gonna be a game changer.
Manjito muriria togosuka mutwe niga abantu batano no mobasiria magimabo sumo baskono mobebwe bara haschinsemo chamanyate county ya Taita Taveta ekero mogendi abwe basie kambani ya Chania executive ya Nyarake gotumana negalienke banyara bagusiria amagimabo kuri n'abanyanyimbo bayikiranira haschinsemo icho obunenge bamanya bende nikira goita ose hoirero gosira kwa bantu batano nomo.
Hii barabara yenyewe ni mbovu hapa. Inataka kuanzia bumps kuanzia pale chini mpaka mhadi kwa kinawelawela. Unaona? Hiyo bumps ndio itaokoa hiyo ajali ziko hapa kwa saa hii. Lakini ukisema eti tunaangalia mambo mengine tutaisha na ukweli, na hapa mahali kunatakiwa bumps.
Watu wa basi wao makini, wapunguze speed, na kama inawezekana madereva wao wawili wa usiku na wa mchana.
Kufika hapa tumekuta watu wamelala chini wamekufa, lakini mimi ninaomba madereva wa mabasi wakae waangalifu, manake wana overtake bila kujua, na mimi nimesema muangalie na muachukulie hatua.
Litkolia rero nigo maraibwense abaga kuarigania abambasada baya hau bali batatu gocha senyomba y'Uburayi sabakago kakubekese emiswada yegatiali abaguchikwenekea bunango cheko bwaterana bale nechinse chiri abambasada bo bachakurwa manchito murigeria turatigere nkona ya yo muraibwense nabagegatialia abaga kwenekiwa chinakecho.
Law from the University of Jordan and LLM and International Human Rights Laws from Lund University, Sweden. Visas, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, First Secretary, Head of Consular, Kingdom's Embassy in Tunis.
President of the Republic of Kenya, it is a profound honor to stand before you today to present the Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan in this great nation. And it is with great pride that I present to Your Excellency the letters of credence by which His Majesty King Abdullah II appoints me as Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan to the Republic of Kenya, together with the letters of recall of my predecessor. I have the honor to convey to Your Excellency the warmest personal greetings and best wishes of His Majesty King Abdullah II bin Hussein, along with His Majesty's sincere hopes for your continued good health and happiness, and for the enduring progress, prosperity and peace of the
I, William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, by dint of Article 134B of the Constitution of Kenya, do accept your letters of credence and authorize you to pursue the interests of your government within Kenya's territory to the fullest extent by promoting the mutual interests and aspirations of the people of our two nations.
Nabaigo abarai ao kurwa sensemo yararieda au bakuragwa ni kiama kia ODM nigo bamwariganirio murai wense huyo gochwekera na chinseme icho che county ya Siaya asibatebire bunamba chikumwarigania central bene nabaigo bamochirie egatia basai bari byariganirie gochoko bureta chibura buru chinga kicho kumerano ko asibatebire tigo chikolenda chibura buru na chikobe kwa byara nabaigo kwirerwa egitambokero egitindi.
I want to thank our PS for bringing us president. I want to assure them, both of them, that we have enough security, we will be peaceful, and I want to tell youth that they should not be used with another politicians to come and make chaos in the presidential meeting.
Kwa majina kwanza ni Rosa Kinya Sumo, natoka Rarieda. Kwa harakati hii kiongozi wetu wa Kenya anakuja. Naweza toa onyo kwa wale wanaweza kuwa na nia mbaya ya kuvuruga hii mkutano ya maana sana. Kwa harakati hii kiongozi wetu wa Kenya anakuja. Naweza toa onyo kwa wale wanaweza kuwa na nia mbaya ya kuvuruga hii mkutano ya maana sana. Na tunakaribisha watu wote, kwa niaba ya kina mama tunakaribisha watu wote tukuje tushangilie taji hilo likivikwa, na tushangilie pia rais wetu kumonyesha tunampenda. Kwa hivyo tunatoa onyo kwa kila mtu, sana sana vijana wale wanavuruga mikutano. Hii sio mkutano ya siasa, ni mkutano ya maendeleo. Kwa hivyo mkae chonjo, na pia wewe ukipatikana kuvuruga hiyo mkutano utachukuliwa hatua kali.
Nabaigo abarai bobo maboko ameria serikali nigo bamochirio murai wense ya Kenya nabaige gati ya abarai bakubwatana no murai wense ya Kenya asibatebire buna nigo baonirie bintu biria bya serikali na kubeka kibese aseme uko yabo nigo bakwana itkoria rero asibanyara bago Karos chinsemo chia SKM megaiga yomucho Nairobi manchito muliria turategeriga chichinkwana chibo chigo kwano as chinsemecho.
Darfur, where you have the diamonds, the gold, the RSF. You go all the way to the M23 in DRC, the diamonds there. These are people who can go to any extent for that extra money. What would stop such people from auctioning strategic national assets? Nothing. If they can take the blood money from Darfur where women and kids are being killed, if they see the lucrative, the fattened cows that are our national strategic assets, they will not spare them. So they are not doing it for the national interest. Most of these are deals where they have already made commitments to their friends. And there's one of you who said that what hopes do we have in this parliament? And we are saying it's not a matter of hoping. It's a matter of defending the national interest. It's a matter of defending the Constitution of Kenya. And it gives us powers. Where Parliament fails or abdicates its role, the judiciary is our last line of defense. We had other deals before Safaricom. You remember the 3 Adani deals? His Excellency Kalonzo and I and our friend Tony Gashoka, LSK, we went to court and stopped the Adani, over 200 deal on JKI. I'm told they are trying to bring him back through the back door. Struck a deal, over 95 billion. It was the fastest signing that the hired expert Wandai signed. Within a week of him entering office, we went to court and stopped. Already as we speak, we're in we are going to take on this government step by step, blow by blow, and deal with it. Thank you.
Thank you. It's okay. Thank you so much. think I'll catch up with you in a minute. Hey. Sorry for me. Good.
Manjito murigeria wikira boniga asenseri ya Iran nigo kisege kigendere testo komanyigwa bona nigense ya America nenseria ya Israel kigendete kubwatirana asogosegeta kisege cyo kigenderete turagendete kwenekiwa aschinseme cyo chense ya Irani. Na wikira gumanjito murigeria bugeta sengen soko TV na ukorera Amayia Chinsa Isano Ibere korino yinyore ayanda mange no yo mintoli net nyambane korenda sibono gende gucengere mino betu migeta sengen soko TV na bogo gende tugutubuatia asemtanda yaitu ya Facebook, Twitter, Instagram na bega sensemo ya YouTube ero gende kwemanya egatia ya gende takwenekiwa kwa chinsemo twari tukorigia una butambiriye tariane Diana Ndemo.